Hey, great to see you back, and let me tell you this right up front, living with the YHT-5960U feels like finally letting your audio setup breathe. This is for the kind of person who's tired of hearing okay and settling for almost immersive. You're someone who notices when bass lacks authority, when voices feel distant, when sound doesn't fill the room. You've outgrown compromise gear that makes do instead of delivering. Before you go any further, take a moment and check the current price and stock. Gear like this gets snapped up fast once people realize what they're missing. You knew it was time to upgrade the moment you watched a film and thought, this should feel bigger. Maybe your old speakers were fine for background noise, but this is the level where sound actually moves you. Once you feel this kind of presence, you never want to go back to flat, lifeless audio. The first time you hear that low rumble with authority, not just noise, but controlled deep impact, there's this instant sense of relief. Your entertainment suddenly becomes the whole experience instead of something that lives in the background. Movies feel deeper, music feels richer, and every gaming moment hits with intention. Imagine late-night movies with weight you can feel in the room but without distortion. Imagine music that doesn't just play but touches you. Imagine gaming where sound cues don't just tell you what's happening, they place you in the scene. That's the emotional payoff this system brings. The MusicCast integration means your playlists move through the house with seamless clarity, no gaps, no fuss. This is 8K HDMI across the board, your visuals stay crisp while the audio actually matches what you see. Not some gimmick, but something you hear in every scene. Don't wait for stock to shift or prices to zigzag. These systems don't hang around when people compare and instantly realize how much they stand to gain. You might wonder if a packaged system can really elevate your setup. Let me tell you this. Every time you think about a cheaper option, your mind will loop right back here. Because once you feel confident that dialogue stays grounded, effects feel spacious, and bass finally has control, settling becomes impossible. One unexpected upside? Everyday listening, from podcasts to late-night playlists, feels intentional. No more muffled mids or tiny highs, everything just sits where it should. Owning this changes how your room feels. You don't just set it up. You experience it. There's pride in walking in and knowing your space sounds complete, not something you're apologizing for. Sound that fills the room authentically, dialogue that stays clear, and natural impact you feel, not just hear music that breathes with life. Confidence in your setup. Everyday cons? It rewards proper placement. It isn't the smallest footprint. At some point you stop cycling through options and choose what already spoke to you. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you look back on wishing you'd done sooner. Check availability, claim what's there, and give your home theater the sound it's been asking for.